century, Bhakta Ramadasu was instrumental in the construction of the Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami temple in Bhadrachalam. His devotion to Lord Rama is conveyed through over 100 kirtanas written primarily in Telugu and Sanskrit. It was in 2018 to 2019 when we initially learned the Bhadrachala Ramadasu Navaratram Kirtanas and had the opportunity to present our learning here. Our Goshti Ganam is inspired by the Bhadrachala Ramadasu Jayanti Utsavam held annually at Bhadrachalam. The Navaratram Kirtanas are arranged together by Sangeeta Kalanidhi Dr. Sri Nedu Nuri Krishnamurti. This concept of Goshti Ganam was the brainchild of Nedu Nuri Garu. Our group, Nadupasana, is comprised of Indian classical music enthusiasts, adults and youth from the Phoenix Valley. We regroup annually to practice regularly to prepare for our performance. It's a pleasure to see new members join every year. Today, it is our honor to present our learning of the Bhadrachala Ramadasu Navaratram Kirtanas. To begin our Goshti Ganam we will begin our Goshti Ganam with our reverence to Lord Ganapati by Srimati Shamla Chikmanahalli.
Thank you so much. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Thank you, Shamla Aunty, for the reverence on our behalf to Lord Ganesha. Our first Kirtana of the Navaratram Kirtanas is Adigo Bhadradri in Ragam Varani. In this first composition, the magnificence of the Bhadrachalam temple is described by Bhakta Ramadasu.
Adigo Bhadradri Gautami Digo Chudandi 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 Sung